heavy equipment failures, serious accidents, and reckless drivers, all in one video. Get ready for 18 minutes of pure, heart-pounding suspense. It's hard to pull that loader out they brought.
¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón, güey!
Excavators are among the most powerful and efficient heavy machines, and also some of the most dangerous. That's why skilled operators are essential. Accidents and failures can happen anytime, anywhere. Here, we bring you real, unscripted footage as a reminder. Smart safety should always come first. On a dangerous mountain pass, a heavy hauler hangs on the edge. One wrong move could end it all. But with help from locals and fellow drivers, teamwork turns disaster into a miracle. After careful coordination and precise moves, the truck finally starts rolling again. But the challenge is far from over. Stay tuned. The most heart-stopping moments are still ahead. Look at that. He is not moving the tracks. He is using the bucket to push. That is a perfect ending for a fool. This incident is truly regrettable. Workers in such a large company, yet they weren't trained in workplace safety. What do you think about this case? Share your opinion below. Oh no! This time, all three of them are in trouble.
Puta que pariu.
This time, luck was not on the driver's side. but it is great that he is still safe.
Tua saúde aí, tá íntegro aí, cara? Que doideira.
The steel cable snapped suddenly, causing the excavator and the truck to lose complete control. As you can see, slippery roads are always a hidden danger. That's why we must always prioritize workplace safety. Safe landing? More like lucky landing. I'd pass on hiring this daredevil. Ford 8000 pulling 40,000 pounds wins the round, breaks the axle. Power like that doesn't come without a price. Operating heavy machinery requires people with the best experience. So in this case, we can't really blame them. They were already prepared for the worst scenario. Oh no, he's trying to drive through the floodwater. This Toyota tried to rescue his teammate, but sadly, it didn't make it. That's the price he had to pay for his recklessness and foolishness. Mistake number 2. The driver listens to people shouting instead of thinking. How does he even have a license? He should have backed up before the wheel went off the edge. Are they helping or just making it worse?
Vai cair lá, já caiu já lá, ó. Manda ele voltar.
Vai.
Baixa mais que isso não, pode ir. Só a cabeça mesmo.
That was really dangerous. Luck was on the operator's side. Time to celebrate the victory.
Calma, macho! Bicho doido!
video captures the moment the road collapsed into a massive sinkhole outside Vajira Hospital on September 24. Thai officials successfully recovered a Toyota Vigo pickup truck stuck at the edge of the crater. The reliability of Toyota is truly incredible. Oh no. Can he make it through that 90-degree turn? That is amazing. Every construction site and company needs a driver like him. The truck suddenly sank into the lake while unloading soil, a situation no one saw coming. Fortunately, thanks to his quick reaction, the driver stayed in control and avoided any serious harm or loss of life. Oh no, that is terrible. Did he fall asleep, or did the site forget to put up warning signs? Big Pete doesn't just crush cars, he shreds trucks like they're paper. Ultimate power on display at Great Dorset Do Milkins.
On the front, pretend there. Let's give a massive cheer for both these fronts as they pull the
Lagi, angkat dikit. Biar kita cor apa itu, stop. Korek
Ya, sedikit lagi biar. Oke. Membahayakan diri ya.
Amid the fast-flowing deep water, the operator calmly maneuvered his excavator through it. I give him a solid 10 out of 10 for his incredible skill. Pretty sure this driver just got his license. You see, there was plenty of space on the passenger side. Why didn't he steer wider at that turn to avoid this mess? In the end, the rescue truck failed too, and they had to wait for another team to come. It's hard to pull that loader out they prob. When you treat a hydraulic lift like it's made of dreams and duct tape, gravity always wins. Let's hope the driver walked away with just a bruised ego. Nothing screams confidence like driving a mini excavator onto a pickup truck. What could possibly go wrong? Let's find out. It may look tiny, but this machine's got the heart of a locomotive. 4 trailers behind it, and still going.